Please join us October 11th and 12th as we celebrate 55 years of business at Bibbins Sales and Service. In honor of this milestone, the first 55 guests will receive a Bibbins gift certificate with values ranging from $5 all the way up to $550. Purchase a new or pre-owned machine during our event and receive $500 in free accessories and or apparel. 20% off belts, carbides, Hyfax, oils, and lubricants. 20% off all in-stock parts, 20% off all in-stock accessories, 40% off all FXR, 509, BRP, and Polaris helmets, as well as winter boots, up to 70% off winter jackets and bibs. Ask about our layaway program on Manitou and Alumacraft boats with free winter storage. Door prizes and raffles, food, refreshments, and much more. We're located in Weedsport, New York. Be sure to stop by Friday, October 11th, Saturday, October 12th for Bibbins Open House celebrating 55 years in business.